QiVi female external catheter is designed for non-ambulatory patients. If the patient is restless or moves more, please ensure that the device is contoured over the anatomy. Ensure there are no gaps more than 2 millimeters between device and anatomy. Device should not pop up. Following steps can help in better device performance. It is advisable to trim the hair follicles for better device performance. Ensure that the direction of clippers is pointing upwards to avoid accidental injury. Use skin prep wipe provided with QiVi to clean and dry the suprapubic region. Ensure that the device is placed over the anatomy. Do not squeeze the device or insert between the labia. Using a mesh undergarment promotes better anchoring of the device, reduces gap between the device and anatomy, and avoids dislodgement. For more information, contact our team.